Yes, it's me, Raw Leo. So imagine this. I'm 14 years old. I love playing piano, and I have no clue what keywords or YouTube trends are. But somehow, without even trying, I made money on YouTube. Let me tell you how it happened. It all started when I began taking piano lessons. Okay, so I'd spend hours learning tutorials from YouTube and then tweaking them to make them my own. It wasn't anything fancy, believe me. I just wanted to share music I enjoyed playing. So, I created this small YouTube channel, posting piano covers. My first big video was a cover of I Need You by BTS. I just liked the song. I recorded it, uploaded it, and completely forgot about it. School started, life got busy, and I didn't really care much about the channel. One day, I was bored in school, so I decided to check my YouTube. I was fully expecting crickets, maybe a couple of views from my grandmother. But then, boom, 10,000 views. And not only that, I had 100 subscribers. I mean, sure, it's no PewDiePie, but to 14-year-old me, it felt like I was famous. Then things got really interesting. A few months later, the video hit 100,000 views and 1,000 subscribers. YouTube sent me one notification about monetization. I didn't believe it. I didn't know that I was so close to achieving monetization on my channel. I was like, wait, you get paid to do this? I just wanted to play piano. Next thing I knew, I made my first $50. And let me tell you, 14-year-old me thought I was rolling in it. Now comes the Rolex, right? But then, like many YouTubers, I got caught up in trying to replicate that success. I started posting more videos, thinking, okay, how do I get more views this time? But nothing. The views just weren't there. People liked the video, but didn't love it. I was putting in more effort, but something was off. I'd lost the original spark that made the first video work, and I didn't know what was different. I was trying too hard, and YouTube can smell that a mile away. Eventually, I figured out what went wrong. I stopped trying so hard and went back to just making covers that I enjoyed. That's when I uploaded a cover of the song Up from Disney. Boom, 2 million views. That's right, 2 million, 1/5 of the population of my country, Portugal. Yes, Cristiano Ronaldo. Turns out, the real trick to going viral is to not think about going viral and slow things down. And of course, it's not only that. If you want to know all my tips, watch this video until the end. The craziest part? I'm still earning money from that video today. Like, every day, I earn a little bit of money. It's kind of like having a magic piggy bank that spits out cash whenever people watch your videos. And no, I don't have to break the piggy bank. And if you think I'm here just talking nonsense, my videos were far from perfect. Looking back at it now, it was full of mistakes. I'm talking about missed notes, awkward camera angles, you name it. But what I did have was a genuine passion for the music, and that's what made the difference. So here's my advice to anyone starting out. Don't focus on the algorithm. Don't obsess over analytics. Just make stuff you actually enjoy. You don't need to be an expert to share your passion or have everything figured out to succeed. And if you're thinking about starting your own channel, don't overcomplicate it. Don't hesitate to post the first video, even if it is not perfect. Just post it and improve from there. I'm serious. Find something you love and just start. The views, the money, that'll come when you least expect it. Now, if you're sitting there wondering, okay, but how did you make that second video go viral? Well, I'll save that for another video because I gotta keep you coming back for more, right? But seriously, I'll dive into the exact techniques I used next time, because yes, there are ways to improve your chances of going viral. All right, time for me to work on that next viral video.